Hi everyone, welcome back to the MZ Mechanic channel. Today, we're diving into the wild world of clueless and dangerous drivers. Buckle up as we unravel the chaos on the road. Let's get started. Here come the highlights of drivers blissfully ignoring height restrictions and confidently rolling into potential disaster. It's like they think, what's a little overhang between friends? Each moment is a comical reminder that while they may have the guts to go for it, gravity has its own plans. Looks like they're waiting for a dramatic oops moment to finally install that guardrail. It's like they're playing a game of how many close calls until we finally get some safety measures. Just a gentle tap from the truck, and poof, there goes the sedan's rear bumper. The truck was caught in a dramatic backward slide while trying to conquer a hill at a tricky curve. It gave its all, like a hero in an action movie. But alas, it couldn't dodge the vehicle behind it. Wow, it looks like this truck driver is going to be digging deep into their pockets for some hefty compensation. I hope they saved up, because after that mishap, it's not just their driving record that's at stake. It's also their bank account. This bridge definitely has a weight limit sign somewhere. The two men standing atop the wheel loader found themselves in a moment of pure stillness, as if time had paused. Good thing there wasn't anyone lying on that stretcher in the ambulance. The little white car in the innermost lane suddenly swerved, forcing the SUV into a quick dodge to the right. That white car definitely drives like it's fresh out of driving school.
You could sense his family inside the house. Their emotions practically shouting from their orders.
Fingers crossed that giant pipe holds up. If it does break, it might just turn into a surprise water feature. A car suddenly bursts into flames at the gas station, and the owner has a quick panic moment that could win an Olympic medal for speed. The white SUV driver is clearly showing some reckless driving skills. The excavator must have had a shocking moment when its arm unexpectedly bumped into the bridge. This strong-voiced woman managed to alert the driver just in time. Her commanding call led the driver to pull over and check for what could have turned into a disaster. One truck is stuck there, like it's auditioning for a role in Trucks, the Stuck Chronicles. And yet the other trucks are determined to plow ahead like they're in a game of who can get stuck next. Both cars definitely have their own unique mistakes.
Are you kidding me?
Why is that black smoke billowing out of the cabin? Did someone accidentally turn the truck into a mobile kitchen? pull heavy equipment, you'll definitely need something that can handle the load. A heavy-duty counterpart. That truck cabin looks like it just lost a wrestling match with a brick wall. Luckily, the driver's side still has a little breathing room left. Maybe just enough for a dramatic escape, or a good old-fashioned, "I can't believe I survived that" moment. The driver of this three-wheeled vehicle transporting wood through the forest is truly a master of skills. The tow truck has become best friends with that farm vehicle, sticking together like they're glued. Those bricks definitely don't look like they're ready for the weight of a crane. It's like asking a toddler to hold up a grown-up. It might not end well. Is that rock there because the excavator tried to prank the wheel loader? It's like a construction site version of, "I'll put this here and see what happens." Wow, to get that heavy truck out of a jam, you're probably looking at some serious horsepower. Depending on the weight of the truck and the load it's carrying, you might need anywhere from 200 to over 400 horsepower just to get it moving again. The wheel loader is like the trusty sidekick of the construction world, expertly equipped for demolition tasks, especially when it comes to single-story buildings. Just picture it. The loader rolls in with its powerful bucket, ready to scoop, lift, and tear down structures like a champ. It's a sight to behold. With its compact design and nimble maneuverability, it deftly navigates tight spaces, making quick work of one-story teardowns. It's like the dependable friend who always shows up to help you move, only with more horsepower and less complaining. But let's be real, when the project scales up and you're dealing with multi-story buildings, it's time to bring in the excavator, the real heavyweight champion of demolition. This machine is built for the big leagues, equipped with longer arms and more powerful attachments that can reach those higher floors and take down structures with impressive precision. The excavator steps in like a superhero, ready to tackle towering challenges that would leave a wheel loader gasping for breath. So, while the wheel loader shines in its role for single-story demolitions, we all know that when it comes to anything above one story, the excavator reigns supreme. After all, in the world of heavy machinery, it's all about knowing your strengths and choosing the right tool for the job. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you don't forget to like, and if you subscribe to my channel, we will definitely appreciate it. See you next time.